I'm in the far side of Broadway. Came to look at this tree that came down. And like the roof didn't even come off it. It completely just snapped under the pressure of the wind or something like that. So it's pretty cool. Check it out. The lines went down like 40 minutes. They said that there was an area here like around 3 o'clock that the power was already out, but mine came off like about 5 o'clock. For other fallen trees and stuff, and hopefully I can put it all in one video. I don't know. Let's wait and see. So let's go look for the next one.
Our